Hello everyone, welcome back to Techavro. Today I will show you how to use new big picture mode on stream. At first go to stream. In the top right corner of stream, click the big picture mode icon. It looks like a little square with arrows. This will switch into the big picture interface, which is the same as the Stream Deck UI. For navigate the interface, you can also use your keyboard, mouse or controller to navigate. The home screen shows your library, store and community tab in console style layout. Go to your library and select a game and hit play. The big picture mode is designed for controller, so it's smooth and easy to use. Press the stream button to open quick settings, where you can adjust display, audio and controller options. And that's how you use the big picture mode in stream. If you all like this video, please like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.